Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm excited for you to be here, and I'm also excited to be here as I know it's been quite a while since I posted a video. A lot has happened in my life since I last uploaded a video, and I'm not going to go into the details of all those things in this video, but I do want to give you some important updates that I think will excite some of you, hopefully most of you, and just share what's new and exciting in my world. The first thing that I want to let you know about is the fact that in the very near future, I'm going to begin offering in-person Tai Chi classes again. I know for most of you, you watch the videos that I post because you don't have someone in your area that teaches Tai Chi, so this may not be beneficial for you, but if you are in the Portland, Oregon area and you don't have someone you're already working with, then keep an eye out for updates about the classes that I'll be teaching here in Portland. I am really excited to get these classes going because it has been a while since I've been able to teach people in person, and that's something that I quite enjoyed. So it's great to be able to come back to that and be able to help people in person again. The next exciting update I would like to share with you is the fact that my wife and I are starting a clinic together, and we are both very excited about this. The name of the clinic is Apricot Health Clinic, and you can find out more about it at apricothealthclinic.com. We're still in the process of building that website out, so keep an eye out there for updates as well. If you would like to join an email list so you can get updates about the clinic and its opening, and you haven't done so already, there's a link down in the video description where you can put your email address. Another exciting update is the fact that I'm working at another clinic called Cascade Medical Spa and Tattoo Removal. And at that clinic, the focus is really aesthetic medicine. But the thing that I enjoy about this clinic, and one of the reasons that I feel comfortable working there is, other than there being a phenomenal team there, the interactions that I've had with the owner of this clinic. He's very focused on the people that are coming through the door, and I just really appreciate that. I have encountered plenty of clinic owners in the past that didn't put the people and the patients first, and I feel like the owner of this clinic really has his heart in the right place. So I feel very excited about being a part of this clinic. And if you are in the Portland area and you're looking for any cosmetic procedures, including anything from sclerotherapy for visible veins in the legs to PRP therapy for thinning hair or having a mole or skin tag removed, then check out the Cascade Medical Spa and schedule an appointment with me there so we can get you taken care of. And the final exciting announcement for today's video is that I had previously started a channel for more naturopathic medicine focused content to keep this channel a little bit more focused on Tai Chi and Qigong. And unfortunately, I only have, I think, one or two videos posted to that channel, and I didn't have much time to get to it. But my plans are moving forward to start adding content to that channel as well. So if you're interested in those topics, you can check out that channel. There'll be a link down in the video description for that. And finally, I guess this is the last piece of exciting information rather than the last one. On the topic of posting videos, I'm also planning to start posting videos to this channel again, which I'm sure some of you, hopefully most of you, will be excited about. I know that I'm very excited about it. I feel like I've been away from this channel for way too long, but things have been absolutely wild. And I've just not had time to make those videos and post them. So I'm in the planning stages of reinitiating filming for things that I had planned quite a while ago so that I can start posting Tai Chi and Qigong content again on this channel. So stay tuned for that as well. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to give you those updates, and I hope if you are in the Portland area that I will see you soon, either at Apricot Health Clinic, Cascade Medical Spa, or during a Tai Chi class, depending on which of those things would help you the most. Thank you all for tuning into this video, and I look forward to seeing you around in the near future.